Hi everyone, welcome back to One Tip Cricket. Today is the first day of play. Finally came to an end between Pakistan and England, and I think it reminds me of an old saying which I'll translate to Urdu के हर सक्सेसफुल बंदे के पीछे कहा जाता है कि एक औरत होती है और हर एवरेज प्लेयर की राइज के पीछे पाकिस्तान होता है. So today we saw Mr. Crawley. I think score what क्या था score for him exactly 171 runs all around the park in 269 balls. This is his maiden test century, so of course अब जब उसने 100 बना लिए तो अजहर
Highest
अली
first class score.
हाँ
Highest first class score for him.
या हाईएस्ट फर्स्ट क्लास स्कोर भी हो गया है. अभी उसको इंशाल्लाह कल डबल भी कराएंगे. अगर उसमें भी लगा कि भाई का दिल खुश नहीं है तो ट्रिपल भी हो सकती है. बटलर साहब जो हैं वो he's on 87 as well. Last time पिछले मैच में जो उन्होंने मैच विनिंग नॉक खेला था that wasn't enough. He deserved 100. We all know he deserved 100. The fact that he got out was just गलती हो गई पाकिस्तान से. अब उसको रेक्टिफाई कर रहे हैं इंशाल्लाह इनकी भी कल सेंचुरी होगी. तो that's where we are. From having England at I think 111 for 4, 121 for 4. I'm not recalling the exact score correctly. Pope, who's actually been playing fairly well. We got rid of him pretty well. Yasser bowled a good one to him. Joe Root, who's looking like he's working his way back to form. उसको अभी तक फॉर्म में नहीं आने दिया क्योंकि उसका करियर पहले से बन चुका है. लेकिन ये जो भाई है हमारे Mr. Butler, who England was was contemplating at least in the news that he should be dropped for a specialist keeper, and he's not adding enough value as a batsman. Mashallah, से इनका career fix हो गया. And Crawley, who was one of these top order players for England that really needed to prove themselves, alhamdulillah इनकी भी बरकत आ गई है.
मैं तो सोच रहा हूँ कि how is it that Don Sibley has not taken this opportunity? मतलब he is the only one के
I think
plate
he
के ऊपर है
suffers.
career.
I think he suffers from having too much self-respect. इस पाकिस्तानी टीम का फायदा होता है. In all seriousness though, I was thinking about this right before we actually got on this call, which is that, to be honest, this Pakistan team can be exploited the way England are doing so right now. Like, apart from people like us who have these like rose tinted glasses on at all times when we're looking at Shaheen and Naseem and all these guys. Look, Abbas is I would say like the only guy who's like completely proven as an international level test bowler. The rest of these guys are for the most part really they're not proven. Yasser obviously is, but Yasser is again the sort of guy who needs a lot of pressure from the other end. And I think we saw today that just Abbas and Yasser is not going to be enough, especially with a captain like Azhar who relies a little bit more on other teams and batsmen at the crease, being tentative, making mistakes. But whenever a team takes charge and starts to play offensively, Azhar doesn't really know what to do. It's like uske paas, I don't think he really has many options. It's like he's like a it's almost like you need a grocery store but you have a tandoor wala. Uske paas koi bhi cheez ke liye jao tumhe naan khilayega. Like that's all he can do. He has one option. He tries the same thing again and again and again. And here we are. This match is, I would say, almost. We're pretty sure about the fact that Pakistan has lost this match and any hopes of not losing the series at the end of
बारिश
the
भी
day.
अभी लेकिन
Huh?
there's still rain, my friend.
Yeah, that is Azhar Ali's plan B, is what I would say.
I mean, going off of that monologue, I think he batted well, Crawley. It wasn't that we made his career. I think he batted against Yasir Shah extremely well. And just a quick comparison between him and what's his name, Pope. And some of the other players who've actually struggled against Yasser as well. Root was also struggling against Yasser for a while. Crawley was picking length a lot better than both of them. He was getting forward when he needed to. He was going back when he needed to. He played him well. Same thing with Butler. Butler picks up lunch out of the hand, like probably better than no one in limited overs cricket. But you know, we all know that Yasir Shah struggles whenever the batsmen go after him. He struggled in limited overs cricket because of this, not because of lack of talent. It's um, when batsmen are going after him, he struggles. अभी admission हुआ है Uzair Yunus का, but
Fashionably late.
fashionably late. But so the point is that we have it was a tough day definitely, but I mean I wouldn't go as far as to say that we've completely lost the game. I think there is, even if we have 5 days of cricket here without rain interruption, there is definitely, it's not a deadly pitch like the Southampton one. There is definitely enough for the batsmen, and if the batsmen stick around, Azhar Ali scores some runs, Asif Shafiq scores some runs. This is a doable track, and we have shown in the
इन
last
दो
two
लोगों के
games.
तुम मतलब नाम ले रहे हो मतलब
हाँ मतलब एक्सपेक्ट भी
All
2
people.
रन मतलब अजहर अली मैं तो
असद
पहले से कह रहा हूँ रन बनाएगा लेकिन अभी तो मुझे भी मुश्किल हो रही है कहने में यार।
डबल सेंचुरी हो गई उसकी अजहर अली की।
हाँ
सेंचुरी की प्रेडिक्शन थी भाई उजैर भाई,
हाँ वो मैच ही नहीं हुआ यार पाले
प्लीज सेंचुरी
They, I
अक्रॉस 3
mean,
टेस्ट.
I'm calling out those players because those two players have consistently not scored this
या दे
series.
नीड टू स्कोर
And we're expecting some runs from the top order from Shan and from Abid. We're expecting some runs from Babar. We're expecting some runs from Fawad.
कब से ही एक्सपेक्ट कर रहे हो मतलब
Asad
पूरे
isn't expecting anything from Fawad. Asad thinks Fawad, sorry, not Fawad, Shan. Asad thinks Shan has already made all his runs for the tour in the first innings of the first
बना
match.
लिए भाई बना
असद ने
लिए।
तो शुरू में ही सेंचुरी के बाद सेंचुरी के दिन ही बोल दिया था कि ही इज अ मीडियोकर प्लेयर।
Yeah,
मैंने कह दिया था
It's a strong
और
call.
उसके अगले बार डक आ गया आपके सामने आ गया। अभी नेक्स्ट इनिंग्स आई प्रेडिक्ट वो 30 से 40 बनाएगा 2 इनिंग्स में मेरे ख्याल से, इससे ज्यादा नहीं, इससे ज्यादा औकात नहीं है unfortunately. But I think just before all of this, today for me it was very disappointing in the sense that just given the conditions there were, the amount of wind there was over there, I thought we'll do a lot more, right? We could have made it move around a lot more, but for some reason we just had no control. Shaheen had zero control over the ball. Naseem was
I mean, when
struggling.
there is wind, I'm sorry, but when there is wind, it's actually tougher for the bowlers.
या असद तुम मतलब बैट्समैन हो तुम
I agree.
in those windy conditions to bowl, especially bowling fast, is like a terrible
And
day
and
out.
the
This
wind
is
is,
international players, yeah.
but the
Doesn't
wind
matter
They
man,
should.
you're still, it's super windy, it's very hard to bowl in those conditions.
उस बंदे की शर्ट नहीं, स्वेटर जो थी वो नहीं उससे बॉडी पे चिपक रही थी तुम.
It's not even
how-
it's, not,
but-
it's
but
the
how was
fact that
Abbas
you're
bowling?
cold and you're getting warm and you're getting cold, that stiffens up your body, so that's also there. But even in terms of control running in, the wind stops, the wind doesn't stop. I was watching the game and Shaheen a couple of times had to stop in the middle just because the wind was too much. And it's
Okay, but on the contrary, then how come Abbas bowled consistently well? He beat
because Abbas is an
batsmen so many
experienced.
times.
experienced and he's a 80-mile-an-hour bowler, man. The फर्क है दोनों में बहुत.
तो बाकी भी थोड़े pace कम कर दें, लेकिन at least not all wavered all over the place, not hitting the right
नहीं भाई
lines,
please.
lengths.
पेस अगर कम हो गई तो गालियां दूसरी
नहीं
तरफ से
भाई.
पड़ेंगी.
ये भाई अच्छा है असद
अच्छा.
कोच नहीं है भाई टीम में.
Even
Azhar
and
Mahmood
it's
advice
even
लग रही है
worse than
मुझे.
that. चलो fast bowlers को थोड़ी सी भी छूट दे दी मैंने. I have my own views on Naseem के I think he's very one dimensional, outswing पे outswing कराई जा रहा है और कुछ है नहीं. But I think the slightly other disappointing factor was Yasir today. He bowled some great deliveries, but I think normally if it's like from what you expect Yasir or a top spinner, इसके यार 4 से 5 top quality balls and 1 loosener or something. I think Yasir on average was like bowling 2 to 3 looseners every over, especially to Crawley. और वो मजे से उसको शॉर्ट पे शॉर्ट करा रहा है क्रॉली भाई पीछे बैकफुट के. एक तो वो he's a champion backfoot, he was so stable and so strong on his backfoot and he's keep on
But
bowling
Yasir
into the
also
backfoot.
bowled the ball of the day. Yasir and Naseem, जिन दोनों की तुम criticize कर रहे हो, दोनों ने they bowled balls of the day today.
तो मैं वही कह रहा हूँ, लेकिन वो उनकी 20% थी. 80% was average to crappy bowling. वो तुम्हें 1-2 balls highlights में देख ली होंगी, but throughout They were bowling
मैच देख रहा
very
था भाई,
mediocre.
मतलब असद फुल ARY जियो सुपर में तुम्हें लगता है कॉन्ट्रैक्ट मिलना चाहिए? मैं भी मैच देख रहा था यार.
तो यासिर का जरा वो तो निकालो if possible. His number of
Pitch map
short balls, वो pitch map जो होता है ना, short balls, especially to Crawley. I think that would be super interesting and really telling. उसके ऊपर फील्ड भी लेग साइड वो ऑफ साइड की ली हुई है भाई, फुल बाउंड्री पे. Azhar to On's favorite captain in the world, his
The best.
his super defensive field, especially at when we had a slightly upper hand at one point. 4 विकेट गिर गई
वो
थी, I
तो
think.
शुक्र करो कि हमने अब तक अपने फील्डर्स को नहीं बोला कि स्टेडियम में लोग नहीं है, जाओ सीटों में बैठ जाओ.
बटलर ने कोशिश की थी कि भेज दूं शाहीन को पीछे, जब उसने 2 छक्के मारे थे यासिर शाह को.
बस अभी यही कमी रह गई है.
And,
How do you pull
I
up
think
one of the players? अभी तो सिर्फ current bowlers का दिखा रहे हैं.
Oh, you're looking at the map, right?
Yeah, do you see a way to? Anyway, we'll come back to it. But I mean, I mean, I'm not that disappointed. Like, yes, especially maybe in the last session. I mean, we did really well in the second session.
उसकी एक वजह ये है कि तुम पाकिस्तान से कभी डिसअपॉइंटेड होते ही नहीं हो.
नहीं, ऐसी बात नहीं है.
नहीं, यही बात है. देखो बात सीधी सी है. Like Pakistan would have to lose a match to like Namibia or something. वो भी टेस्ट मैच. For you to finally be like आज मैं
उसके बाद
पाकिस्तान
खुरम
से
बोलेगा
disappointed
पीसीबी की गलती थी, स्क्वाड से.
उसमें आ जाएगा को बैटिंग में चांस.
देखो, I have to counter all the negativity that's on this group, which is why my positive, मेरी positive personality जो है बीच में से बैठी है.
वॉइस इन ग्रीन पे भी जो लोगों को कह रहा होता है नेगेटिविटी कम करो, टीम अच्छी है, ये वो सपोर्ट द बॉयज.
salute
No, I mean that the team is good, but लेकिन ये वही first test वाली situation हुई है कि we had them on the ropes, और Butler आता है and suddenly like the shoulders drop, और जैसे he starts like the counter attack, I think we fold. ये वही very similar situation in the conditions.
There's no response that they've even like come up with like, okay, when Butler tries to do this, we're going to try like X.
और आज तो बटलर ने तो बाद में किया था, पहले तो क्रॉली ने शुरू किया था counter attack and they did not know what to do.
I mean at that point the game was still in balance, right? That Butler just adds that जो एक craziness जो आखिर में आ जाती है ना, वो मारना शुरू करता है.
तो मैं तुम लोगों को कह रहा था कि आज जो है वो गिलक्रिस्ट और बटलर के ख्वाब आएंगे. मुझे तो गिलक्रिस्ट के नाइटमेयर्स आ रहे थे बटलर को दिखाने का. ये हमने नया अपना जो है ना गिलक्रिस्ट ढूंढ लिया है कहीं से, जो आते के साथ ही कुट लगाने लग जाता है.
I mean, Butler did bat well today though. It wasn't the innings that he played last match. Not last match, but the first match. It was
you think
more.
He did not bat well.
I said he did bat well. It was a very different kind of innings, and an innings that he has typically been told that he can't play, which was calculated at the start. I think he was batting at like under 40 strike rate for the first 40 balls or something, and then he started picking up his strike rate. I mean, he was and he didn't really play stupidly either. Like I thought he played well. He was playing Yasser well. Obviously, I think he played.
First test में भी उसका यही scene था.
No, in the first test he came out guns blazing and he basically batted himself in.
Yeah, but he doesn't. He's not really playing the same way as he plays in like ODIs. मतलब जंगली वाला Butler नहीं है. He's more controlled. He doesn't give that many chances anymore. मेरे ख्याल से हमारी strategy यही है कि बस अब ये टॉप पे जाएगा या कुछ ना कुछ आएगा तो आउट होगा, वरना
किसी तरह कहीं ना कहीं आ जाएंगे.
Yeah.
So let's talk about our strategy. I think that's important.
We
should go about it.
It has to exist for you to talk about it. I refuse to let this conversation go on about strategy.
Hey, what should be our strategy is what I'm asking. What should Pakistan do for the next couple days?
Tomorrow morning, it needs to be. I mean, the ball is only 10 overs old. We need to go back to attacking really hard in the morning. We need to attack until the ball is about 25-30 overs old. If depending on how they're batting, I mean, it's an overnight break, so they should be starting fresh tomorrow. if they are going after our bowling, we really need to get defensive as well. There needs to be what's frustrated me is Azhar has been. It's not that he has been too defensive. He has been indecisive in when to be attacking and when to be defensive, and that, in my opinion, is where we've conceded so many runs between the 60 and 80 over mark this innings, and that's where we kind of need to get to.
Yeah, he's very reactive.
इससे अच्छा तो यार यूनुस खान थर्ड मैन पे खड़ा हो जाए पानी के साथ और सारे डिसीजंस बुलाए.
यार यूनुस खान तो मतलब इतना टीवी पे आता है ना, तो लगता है कि वही प्लेयर है, मतलब
अभी होने
उसको
वाला
दिखाते हैं. हाँ,
अभी होने वाला है इस सीरीज के बाद.
अभी मिसबा भी वापस आ रहा है, यूनुस भी वापस आ रहा है, मुश्ताक अहमद भी आ जाएगा, वकार यूनुस भी आ जाएगा, पूरी कोचिंग
Coach
टीम.
Misbah will write to selector
wouldn't
Misbah to
you
make
take
player
like a
Misbah the
Yunus
captain
Khan?
again.
I would
As
still
Ahmad
take a
says.
Yunus Khan ahead of like Azhar Ali right now. थोड़ी उसको जो है वो
he'll score more.
खिला दो,
यार.
दो
He'll
तीन
score more.
practice.
Sure. Asad Shafiq or
practice match में
Azhar
खिला
की
दो.
जगह if Yunus and Misbah were to come back, they'd score more right now. I'd bet good money on it.
I'm
bet
going
Asad
to.
Shafiq will score. My prediction is Asad Shafiq is going to score this match.
No, he'll
वैसे
wait
असद
until the
शफीक के
last
लिए
innings.
this is the perfect
मैंने
game for
मैंने
Asad
एक
Shafiq.
उसका लिख दिया मैंने I don't know first innings में होगा second innings में होगा वो अपनी जगह के लिए 170 रन के तो मैं 70 plus
King of losing causes, Asad Shafiq.
नहीं king of being never in form never out of form, he's the king of that.
Fawad Alam is going to score runs. Also, my prediction is that they're going to be
How
all
surprised
out.
were you guys?
भाई
that he
फिर
was
से
playing?
हम जो है वो वीडियो चला रहे होंगे, कल होना वाली लगता है फवाद.
I
was
personally.
surprised that he was playing. मुझे
Yeah,
लगा
me
था
too.
ये
Yeah,
पक्का ये
to be
शादाब
honest,
आएगा.
I think the biggest surprise today was the fact that Fawad Alam was playing.
हाँ, मैं सुबह उठा, मैंने
part के वो
लाइनअप देखा है ना, I was like, ये खेल रहा है वाकई में.
In all fairness, he actually bowled pretty well. He actually bowled, good.
I mean, he was an
अच्छे
all-rounder
जवाब
to start off with, man.
I mean,
Yeah.
no, he was barely.
Never an all-rounder.
He's as much as an all-rounder as Azhar Ali is a all-rounder. Like, no, he's not
I'm
a
saying
bowler.
he started off as an all-rounder, and I really think he missed a trick not selling himself more as an all-rounder.
Imad
Not that he's,
Wasim's style.
huh?
नहीं,
Imad
but वो
Wasim's style.
उसमें जान नहीं है, वो बाउंड्री नहीं मार सकता, उसकी बॉल हवा में नहीं जाती
अबे तो
है.
बॉलिंग में कौन सी जान चाहिए ना,
नहीं,
मतलब
वो
उसकी.
तुम समझ नहीं रहे हो, उसमें जान नहीं है.
देखो, the only type of all-rounders Pakistan accepts is those that resemble Razak. They have to be hitters. They can't be
Exactly.
like middle order batsmen. They can't be
हर टीम
यार,
के कोचिंग सेटअप में एक असद बैठा हुआ है जो कहता है टेक्निक सही नहीं है, या ये नहीं है, वो नहीं है.
भाई ये खुरम अपने गुरु मोहम्मद हफीज को कैसे भूल रहा है यार.
और
Yeah.
इमाद वसीम भी है.
और
Imad Wasim-
but Imad Wasim is more of a
है ना,
hitter.
तो सर
मोहम्मद
Imad-
मोहम्मद हफीज
एक मिनट सर, इमाद वसीम में कोई कमी नहीं है जान की, ठीक है. पहली बात तो ये हम क्लैरिफाई करते हैं.
I mean, they played Nawaz.
बहुत जान है.
They played Mohammad Nawaz as an all-rounder, for the love of God. उसको club team में जो है इस number 7 से ऊपर नहीं भेजा. Batting के लिए.
I never understood that. Was he an all-rounder or no?
Yes, they played him as an all-rounder
they
for
played
the
him as
longest
an
time. They played
but
Wahab
was he an
Riaz, for the
all-rounder?
love of God. They
You
played
guys
Wahab
remember-
Riaz as an
Hold on.
all-rounder. No.
We even played Bilawal Bhatti as an all-rounder. कोई हम किसी फ्लोर की बात नहीं कर रहे हैं. Doesn't exist. कोई भी बन सकता है
Speaking of
all-rounder.
Wahab Riaz, is Wahab Riaz in the test squad if I'm not wrong?
He's in
आज
the.
प्रैक्टिस कर रहा था वो पीछे
He's in the
game
travel
में.
I don't know if he's in the squad, but he's made
Because-
his test comeback. He took
A
his
Yeah,
question
he
I have
was
is
playing today in the practice match.
who is who's the other bowler? Like I have a question that is
Sohail
on
Khan.
actually Naseem Shah.
Sohail Khan.
I don't know if
bhai.
I would make Naseem Shah play this test
The
match.
legend.
Why not? I mean, this is good exposure to him.
यार exposure तो है, but I think it's a very important match. I would prefer कि थोड़ा सा कोई a bit more experienced bowler. He has talent, no doubt, but I think
कौन है, कोई है ही नहीं.
नहीं तो अभी
Wahab-
सोहेल खान कह रहे हो.
Wahab or
Sohail Khan did
Sohail
well
Khan?
actually.
But
in the-
देखो,
सोहेल खान
Naseem
running into the
Shah.
wind, तो फिर तुम कहते हैं कि running into the wind में वो भागे ही नहीं तो अच्छी बात
Naseem
है.
Shah has a different role than Sohail Khan. Am I mixing last names right now? No. Naseem Shah has a different role than Sohail Khan right now. Sohail Khan is your swing bowler. He's not an enforcer. He's not someone who's going to come in and hit the deck hard. He's and on top of that, his fitness from his last experience in international cricket is
भागा ही नहीं
horrendous.
जाता था भाई
उसे 5 दिन नहीं खेलने जाएंगे अगर आपने उससे कहा कि यार आके जो है come and hit the deck hard for me and try to get something done.
Asad will say the windy
This just
conditions
reminds
are
me, I
not
don't know
hard
if
you
you
can
guys
run in.
read his last interview where he said कि मैं दरिया में जो है कूद के उसके बाद पत्थर उठाता हूँ और दरिया के अगेंस्ट उसमें चलता हूँ अपनी
कौन?
फिटनेस को इम्प्रूव करने के लिए सोहेल खान
कौन सा दरिया है भाई रेडियो एक्टिव तो नहीं था
चिनाब
नहीं
में
पता
चल रहा हूँ
कोई रेडियो
दरिया चिनाब होगा जब पानी नहीं
दरिया
है।
के अंदर कूद के उसके अगेंस्ट जरूर चलता है
I just hope we had one more experienced bowler, whether it was Amir, Junaid, Wahab, somebody. I feel that Shaheen and Naseem both have a ways to learn in Test cricket, and especially in England.
yeah, it's good exposure for them. They're young, man.
Yeah, it almost worked in the first match, right? Like
देखो
it
शाहीन
almost, it almost worked. We almost won that
Yeah,
match.
yeah.
In fact, we should have won that match, but I don't know. I don't think that like at this point Pakistan really has a chance of finishing in the top 2 or 3 in the Test championship. And I'd rather really just like build this team up because I think if you look at Shaheen and Naseem, they're very good prospects. So
isn't this our second isn't this only our second series in the World Championship Test Championship?
Yeah, well, we've had look at the number
Australia.
of matches.
Wasn't Australia the first one?
Oh yeah.
श्रीलंका
It's okay. हमारे घर पे कोई नहीं हमें हराने वाला. Unless it's Sri
But
Lanka.
Naseem, coming back to it, I think he's too one-dimensional. Yeah, he needs to learn more tricks.
While he's like 18, 19 years old, like
So अभी तो
he
शुरू
had
में
dimensions
Test
to his
में खेलना
game. He's too.
Sure, I'm sure he will. अभी वकार भाई भी हैं, थोड़ा in-swing yorker सिखाएं, कुछ सिखाएं यार. He's bowling just too one-dimensional. Pace no doubt है.
एक टूर में असद बंदा ये सब चीजें सीख ही लेता तो फिर अभी तुम भी करा रहे होते.
नहीं भाई.
असद ने भी तो टूर लिया था अभी लास्ट ईयर इंग्लैंड के टूर पे गया था ना ये
पहला टूर था मेरा मैं सेकंड टूर में इंशाल्लाह बेटर करूंगा.
ऐसा कल की क्या predictions हैं boys?
under lunch before lunch England all out
काश यार it's either that or it's 600
yeah
either that or it's 600 फिर हम आएंगे टी के बाद
फिर हम टी के बाद बैट करने आएंगे और बॉल ऐसे
64 for 5
पता नहीं कहीं और खेल रहे हैं मैच.
हाँ उस वक्त ही बादल आ जाएंगे और फिर
Pakistan will be batting in the
I
second
think it's
session
बादल का
I
एंजल
think-
जेम्स एंडरसन
I
उतराएगा
think 500 पे declare करेंगे and Pakistan will lose both its openers in the session under 50.
शान मसूद पे तुम्हारा मतलब अटैक है भाई.
Asad, what's your prediction for Shan Masood?
Max 25.
नहीं max नहीं just say what
In around 75 balls, by the way. Now, I have to make that prediction also there.
Under 30.
Not that it matters. It doesn't matter, but just taking in some ways taking some clues from the way England batsmen play and like यार मतलब कि यार 3-4 रन की 3 रन की तो बनाओ यार. I think I almost feel like that guy plays at like a 25-30 strike rate, which is like
I don't think there's
crazy slow.
anything wrong with that.
ठीक है. I mean it's
Shan
not
Masood
the way the best in the world play. Like Warner and the other guys like
Warner also plays
Warner's
in
not the best in the world at Test cricket. Sorry.
also Warner plays in Australia where the ball comes onto the bat यहाँ पे वहीं बॉल आप ढूंढ रहे हो हवा में क्या कर रही है उसके बाद पिच पे क्या कर रही है उसके बाद देख रहे हैं कि यार विकेट कीपर के पास पहुंची भी है या उससे भी छोड़ दी है पीछे. There are different conditions. Like again, if you play in Pakistan or UAE where the ball doesn't come onto the bat at all, like you're not going to score. Like an average Test innings there is going to be around 2.5 runs and over.
First of all, Asad's completely off the mark. He said 25 to 30. His career strike rate in Test cricket right now is 47, and in first class it was also 47. So it's fairly consistent. It's almost run a ball.
He did. Asad did say to his credit, he did say it feels like he's playing. At 25 to 30.
फीलिंग्स का हमें क्या करना है फीलिंग्स इसकी बहुत चीजों के बारे में बात है गलत
पहले मैच में जो इसने 150 भी जो बनाए थे I think the first 50
He batted at 50 plus, man.
first 50 runs I think he scored of
First
150
50,
balls.
yeah, but overall
Yeah,
strike rate was.
यार अब तुम क्या तुम अब अपना point किस हद तक prove करोगे?
Also,
First
that
9 runs,
wait,
first
wait, wait,
7
wait.
runs, like मान लो just
That first innings in which he did bat was probably the toughest session that Pakistan has had, or either Pakistan or England have had faced this summer.
Yeah.
The ball was
yeah.
swinging yards. मतलब उसमें तो मैं भी जाके बॉल फेंकता तो स्विंग हो जाती. Like if it had come down to that point.
but also not just Shan. We have at least pretty much except for Babar, everyone's place is on the line. मतलब 3 बैट्समैन आपके ऐसे हैं जो कि could be playing their last test match or one of their last test match.
I guess my point is that maybe you're right, Omer. They don't play freely. It just seems that Babar plays freely, and to a certain degree, Rizwan is playing freely. बाकी सब लग रहा है कि डर के फटी हुई है, you know, like डर के खेल रहे हैं, like damn tentative and shit like that.
Rizwan has played really well. I will give you that he.
Sarfaraz तो नहीं आते अगले 2
Khurram, can you
साल.
please end this debate for once and for all? Rizwan versus Sarfaraz जो तुम
देखो
boys in green
Boys
के ऊपर
in
भी
green
तुमने
पे जो
फैलाई
है
हुई
लगा
है.
होता है.
देखो
फैलाई हुई है.
Sarfraz is my captain. There is only one captain, and that is Sarfraz.
Sarfaraz
But
को वापस लेना
वो
है.
कैप्टन टीम में
भाई
तो
वो
नहीं
6
आता
captain है भाई
भाई.
total.
अगले 2 साल
those are
तक.
all future captains. They're not current captains.
Unless Rizwan injures himself, Sarfaraz isn't coming back into the team for a while.
I personally, my opinion is that I don't think you should bring Sarfraz in at this point. You brought Rizwan in. The issue is not with Rizwan. The issue is with the PCB management because they're a bunch of idiots.
Like
But
why is
Rizwan,
Sarfaraz even there? ये मुझे समझ नहीं आया.
that's besides the point, right? The point right now is that Rizwan is our current keeper. He has done really well in Pakistan A. He has batted really well in Pakistan A. He's been promoted to Pakistan international level. He's performing here, and he should be back. That's the end of the discussion. It doesn't matter who plays for Pakistan as long as they're performing, and that's all that matters.
Agreed.
But Sarfraz is still our
तुम
captain.
बोलो ना.
बोला not once, many times.
Hello.
So
End the
anyway,
show
last one is what's the result for the game? Draw or win or what?
Are we factoring in Barish or not?
बारिश Monday को ही है.
Anything.
Or Tuesday को.
Rained out. England wins. Pakistan wins. Draw. Let's take predictions from everyone.
It's too early, man. Too early to tell.
So that's why it's a prediction
Yeah.
thing, yaar.
I think all three. Right now
Everything
it's all three.
is in play right now.
England will win this match.
Number 1 team.
England.
भाई पाकिस्तान को हराना कोई बड़ी बात नहीं है.
पाकिस्तान,
पाकिस्तान.
इस बात पे
I don't know. It's hard for me to. Given the momentum, I would say England to win or draw, but I wouldn't be surprised if Pakistan.
Azhar Ali की double century हो रहा हूँ.
I honestly wouldn't be too surprised if Pakistan come back because it does look like a very good batting pitch, and I think that if our openers can manage to score some runs, our middle order will be able to contribute.
Yeah, I love this group. तुम लोग इतने लंबे ifs फेंकते हो ना कि like if Yasir Shah bowls 5 amazing balls tomorrow and all of a sudden they'll be 9 down. Like
मैं तो बस फवाद को देख रहा हूँ. That is my focus for tomorrow.
So I
फवाद ने क्या
unfortunately think
करना है बेचारे
that
ने.
Fawad Alam has to outscore Asad Shafiq. That's
भाई
it.
मुझे तो लगता है कल सीन होगा कि 40 पे कोई 4 आउट होंगे और फिर फवाद आलम आएगा बैटिंग करने और फिर
यार मतलब
Mitch जिताएगा Mitch.
So for me, I think I hope I'm wrong, but I think England is definitely winning. I hope Pakistan even bats the second time.
Oof.
What do you mean?
Hello,
England
we
bats
will-
the second
बैट
time.
की कैसे
Sorry.
करें?
Follow
Yeah,
on
England
now.
bats second time. I was like, if you hope
England
Pakistan bats second time, तो क्या बारिश ही होगी फिर?
I meant England. I hope England bats the second time, but that's my
मतलब सर
solid
प्रेडिक्ट कर रहा है
prediction.
600 रन.
550. Pakistan out for about 250, and then probably.
उसमें अजहर अली कितने बनाएगा?
Azhar Ali बनाएगा पहले innings में I think पहले innings में 20 under 20 and second innings में और डर के खेलेगा and he might get to like a 40 odd.
बात है.
चलो भाई, on that depressing note,
Yeah, but on that depressing note, we will.
This sounds fairly optimistic for Azhar Ali's form.
अगले 12 घंटे, अगले 24 घंटे में फिर करेंगे ये एपिसोड, हम देखते हैं किसकी प्रेडिक्शन सही होती है.
Bye everyone. Thank you.
Take care.